Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, live from Total Value RV right here in Elkhart, Indiana. Guys, I wanted to show you one of our newest additions that come in. This is a 2020 369 DS Georgetown XL. So with the 2020, of course, you're going to be able to see clearly now. So let's go around and take a look at some of the things that they have. Number one, look at what the Georgetown has done for you. They've given you the nice logo up here on the front of the cap here on the top, which does light up and has some backlighting on there for you. Another nice thing Georgetown does for you is the fact that look at how big this window is. The wraparound on this window gives you a great easy view. It's all automotively sealed, just like what your windshield would be on the car for you. But one of the biggest windshields in the industry, so that way you get a nice unobstructed view. This particular one is in the Midnite full body paint. Another nice thing they do for you is this is not a logo. This is painted in right here, so it's not a logo that you have to worry about peeling off. You can also unlock this and get to everything in your V10 motor that you have here. It's on the Ford V10 chassis, and it's on the 24,000 pound chassis as well. Another nice thing they do for you is all along the front here is you have your diamond shield. You can see right here. So what this diamond shield does for you is it'll prevent you from getting rock chips, prevents the paint. It's all around your front cap, and they even have it around your door then as well too. Okay, so we come on around. As you can see, again, we're on the Ford V10 chassis. You have the 22.5-inch tires with the aluminum rims, so it's going to give you a real nice smooth ride for you. One thing you'll notice here is on the side you have your side cameras, so that way when you turn on your turn signal, it's going to come down and show you down this side of the coach or the other side of the coach, depending on which way you're turning. You have your chrome mirrors up on the top, which are heated for you, and they are remote mirrors. Okay, come on around. We have the slide here. A nice thing Georgetown does for you is the fact that you have the slide awning. So that way when your slide comes out, the awning is going to come out with it in order to protect it from any debris. With the frameless windows, I do a couple things for you. It gives you a real nice sleek look. Also protects your seals all the way around on the window, and then this window will open up out this way, so that way if it's raining or whatever it may be, you can still get to the storage level. Here is our first storage compartment. We have our LP right here. Okay, so that way you can take it to the campground, wherever it may be, and get your LP filled. Then here we have our full pass-through storage. So you can see it's all lined by the ABS. It has the one-way drain, so that way you can spray it out and clean it out, and that way the water will just come out and it won't come back in. You can also see they've got the nice little strap there, so that way it keeps it tight, and then it's a nice thick door, well insulated for you. Also too, if you look here, there's another full pass-through. You have over 190 cubic feet of outside storage in this particular floor plan. Okay, more storage there. Here we have our water compartment. In this one here, we have 65 gallons of fresh, 84 gallons of gray, and 84 gallons of black. You can see you have your outside shower. You have your whole house water filtration system that'll filter all of your water coming through the fresh water. Here you have to fill your fresh water tank. Here, fill the fresh water tank here, and then your black water flush there as well too. So you take your black water flush, put your hose on there, and then it'll go around and spray out the black tank for you, so that way you don't get any false readings. Then you can also see there we have a little hole so you can run your sewer pipe through there. Okay, and it's all lighted for you as well. Here where you have the gas fuel on here, and back here we have our Onan 7,000 watt generator. That'll run right off of your fuel line, so that way if you get below a quarter of a tank, it's not going to allow you to run your generator, so that way you don't run yourself out of gas. And it also will power everything inside the coach, your air conditioners, your microwaves, your TVs, everything. Here's the dump station here. What you might ask, why do we have two here? The fact is that this is a bath and a half model for you. Okay. And back here we have for our 50 amp power cord, so that when you're plugged in, you have your inverter there as well too, so that way you can run off of your batteries on there for you. Okay. And again, you have the full pass through all the way through. Okay. Then we come to the back. You have your nice molded fiberglass rear cap. You have your backup camera right there, so that way when you put it in reverse, it'll show you what's in the back. Another nice thing Georgetown does for you that a lot of the competition doesn't is that is a fiberglass roof, guys. It's not a TPO roof. It's just like your high-end diesels. You got a 5,000 pound hitch in the back with your 7-way plug. You have your ladder right here so you can get up and do your yearly maintenance on the coach. Come here, we have some more storage. This is the other side. When you get a chance, just take it, feel this door as compared to the competition. Nice, real thick, insulated door for you. There you have some more storage. Here we have access to our water pump. This is where your freshwater tank is. You can also get to your black and your gray back behind there. What you'll notice too is that the monitor panels here, these monitors are very easy. This is one of your sensors. If you need to change it, you can just take this screw out and change the sensor there. Access to your water pump there, so that way when you're winterizing, you can get to everything right there. Another nice thing that I particularly like that Georgetown does, you've got a 10-gallon gas electric hot water heater. You can see it sits right in smooth here. But what is also nice about this, might not know, it's in the basement. What's that going to do for you? It takes away just a little bit of noise. You don't have to hear the hot water heater clicking off and on. Then right here, Georgetown gives you your LP gas quick connect, which will be underneath your patio awning here. So that way you can have your grill. That'll run right off with the LP. Nice thing they've done for you is this here. You have your metal awning wrap, and then you have your LED lights. The metal awning wrap is going to protect your fabrics. That way it lasts a lot longer for you. In here we have some more storage. We have some more storage here. It's a ladder for the bunk that's inside. Okay. Here we have some more storage. Even little plug-ins right there. And here we have our house batteries right here for us. Okay. And then here you have your outside entertainment. Here, another nice thing they've done for you in 2020 is you have your outside speakers right here. You have your AM, FM stereo. You can play your CD. You can also operate this off of the Bluetooth. You also notice that it's underneath your awning for you as well. Okay. Another nice thing that Georgetown does for you. Look at this here. How many steps are there, guys? 3. Normally you only see 2 steps, so what's the advantage to that? You don't have this big high step from here to here. You got a nice step low to the ground. You can get nice easily into the coach then for you. Plus you got your wide doors, so it's easy to load and unload the stuff that you're going to take with you. And again here, Mr. Cameraman, we have our side camera here, and then your chrome mirrors there as well too. Would you like to look inside? Of course we would. So as we come in, you'll notice right here we have this little switch right here that'll turn our batteries on for us. This is our awning control right here. This is if we want to shut the step from going in and out. Turn your aisle lights on, turn on your awning light right there, and then your outside light all right from that switch. And then if you want to turn your inverter on, you do it right there. Okay? And then you got your fire extinguisher right there. And then this here, guys, is a sticker. This will give you your VIN number, and then this will also tell you how many pounds you can carry. On this particular coach here, guys, we can carry another 3,280 pounds of cargo. Quite a bit of cargo. So we come inside. As you can see, I've got the slides in. We can get to everything in the coach. I can get to the kitchen, I can get to the cooktop, to the oven, to the microwave, the residential refrigerator, get back to the seats, and then I can get back to my half bath right here. The only thing I can't get to is I can get back to the bedroom. Just can't get back to the bathroom, which you could, but you just have to climb over the bed. So, now we're at our destination. We're here. The kids are happy. Mom, Dad, let's go outside and do some stuff. Okay, well, let's get the slides out. So here in our command center, it says Forest River Command Center, you have your slide here. You just hit the out button, and your slide will go out. You can see it's got the nice wood trim all along the top. Then we have our other button for our bed slide in the back. Look at how much more room we have in here now that the slides are out on this. Also too, on this command center here, guys, you also can turn your hot water heater on from here, turn your water pump on, and then on all the Georgetown products, they also have the Arctic pack. You flip that on, it gets below 40 degrees, it'll kick on the heating pads on your holding tanks for you so that way you don't freeze up. And here you have your monitor panel, which you have your LP, you have your battery, your fresh water, your black water, and then your gray water, all right there for you. Okay? So, let's go ahead and have Mr. Cameraman take a seat there in the front seat. Now we got Mr. Cameraman sitting down in the driver's seat here. As you can see, guys, take a look at that windshield, what we were talking about. We're outside. Look at how much you can see there. for you. We're learning how to turn down the radio currently. Okay, then you come over here, you're still on the driver's side. Here's where you have your controls for your automatic leveling system, where you just turn it on, you hit auto level, it'll automatically go down and level the coach for you side to side and front to back. And then when you want to retract it, you just hit all jacks retract right there. Then you have your cup holder. Here you have for your mirror heat, to turn on your courtesy flashers, your LED lights, and then the fog lights. And there's where you can control the power on the mirrors for either the left or the right side, and then turn your lights on there. And as you come around to the front, you also have where you can put your sunshade down, so you have a sunshade there in the front. Then you also have the night shade, which will come down. The battery boost will connect your house and your chassis batteries together, so that way you don't get yourself where you can't start the coach. Another nice thing you'll notice, a Total Value RV exclusive. You're out shopping around for a 2020 369 DS Georgetown XL. You might want to ask them, hey, where's that coach with 37 miles on it? Well, guys, the only place in America where that is Total Value RV. Why is that? Because we're right next to the factory. I could literally almost walk to the factory down here where these are built. It's important because you're the very first person to put the first critical miles on the coach, not somebody who gets paid to get from here to there as quick as possible. So Total Value RV exclusive, we'll quiz you later on that. So remember, 37 if you could. Okay? So down and around, then you got your forward steering wheel right there, which you have your controls for your cruise control right there. Then you have your controls here where you can get your readouts there on the front of the dash. You come on around here, this is your backup monitor as well as your stereo system. Your controls for your air conditioning and your heat. You have your dash fans there to start your generator, turn the radio on, and then also turn on the map light. You also notice with the new cover, it's not as big as what a lot of the others are. Plus they have it nice bolted down here for you. It's not just the old cheap snaps that they used to have. 2 cup holders right there. Here we have a little place here that we can, for a computer desk, just come right up and we can do it all right there. We have our power connections right here. We have our 110 outlets down there and a nice big window here. You also notice that you have the day-night shades here as well too. So the pull down here for the day and then the pull down here for the night. Okay? So now both your driver and your passenger seat will turn around and make part of the living area, and that's why we give you this little table right here, so that way you have a little coffee table right there. Okay? So we've looked at the front of the coach. We looked at the command center. Here you have a little bit of storage. Another nice thing they've done for you is this here comes with a single bunk, which you can just take here, pull down, and here you have another place where you can sleep another person. If you don't need it then, it's up and out of the way then for you. So then you just put it back up. Take it here. And just set it right there. And now you've got your whole coach here again. Okay, so now we're in the front here. Nice thing we have our nice big dinette, which we have the cushions on the side here. You got 2 seat belts here. You also have 2 seat belts in the couch for you as well too. This will break down into a bed for you here. And you have some storage here. You have some storage here. This is all hardwood for you as well too. You notice you have the nice hardwood here and the hardwood trim up on the top. Now when you come on around here, we have a 4-seat couch right here, which you have a cup holder. You also have the ability to turn this on. This is a massage chair, which you can have your massage. You can have the heat on, heat the cup here, light it up, and also recline your seat here and the seat on the end. So you have 2 recliners on it. Very comfortable to sit in and very easy to view the TV right there as well. Now when you're in the kitchen, we have the all solid surface countertops. We also have the fold-up countertop extension right there. High-rise residential faucet with pull-out kitchen sprayer. 2 big, nice, oversized sinks, stainless steel. It'll be very easy to clean, take care of. When you put the covers on there, you get quite a bit of cooking area. You also have the countertop extension, which gives you even more cooking area. You have a nice big drawer, all on the ball bearing drawer glides. Okay, come out pretty deep there for you. And here, we have some more storage here. Some more storage here, even a little place to put a trash can. Here we have some more storage. Some more storage here. Some more storage here. Now we're in the cooking area. A nice thing that I like about it, at least, these are sealed burners here for you. So you don't have to worry about anything getting down in there. all sealed here. Nice 3-burner cooktop. Nice little backsplash right here for you with your vent. And this particular one, we also have the oven. This is all the Furion. It's a real modern day looking for you. You have the full-size residential refrigerator, which runs right off of your inverter if you're dry camping, or if you're plugged in, it'll run, and it'll also run off of your generator. Nice thing you'll notice is we have the soft touch vinyl ceilings, which makes it very easy to clean, and it also is a sound deadener for you. Your LED lights, so you don't have to worry about these getting hot anymore. You have 2 air conditioners in here, 15K, that both have the quick cool. You can just flip this open, and then your air can dump out of here instead of running through the air vents. And when you close that vent, it'll run back through the air vents for you. Okay? So again, we had all the storage here, and then here. What's important about a motorhome, guys? Storage, storage, storage. Okay? And some more there. Now we're still in the front area. Look at this. Nice little pantry. 3 big pull-out drawers. Okay. Some more drawers there. Place to keep some wine bottles, pop bottles, whatever it may be. You can do it right there. So, just in the kitchen area here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 doors and drawers. I know y'all, some of you are just clamoring for me to count those drawers constantly. So we have just a little bit of storage. You can put something in there, maybe a DVD or whatever it may be. Again, this was the half bath that we had here. So in the half bath, we have the stool right here. We have the nice residential looking sink, which you got the mirror. We have some storage in here for you as well too. Over there. Some there. So this can be used when you're going down the road and you got all your slides in. You still have access to the bathroom. So that way you can get in there. Excuse me. Then here, this is a control for your front air conditioner. And then back on this back wall, then we have the control for the back air conditioner. Now we're in the bedroom. We have the nice big king size bed. Another nice thing I like to point out, look at the nice airflow you can get in there. You have a window that'll open on this side, and a window that'll open on that side, and your window that'll open in the back. So that way you can get a nice flow in there. You don't have any cabinets. You're not going to get any claustrophobia feeling, whatever it may be, all right in there. Okay, now if you need to plug anything in, you do have plugs on this side of the bed and plugs on the other side for you. And then this here, you do have a little bit of storage right there. Okay, so we got storage there. So now, we're still in the bedroom area. We've got a closet right here. We've got some drawers down here. These are nice big deep drawers. Here, 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 there, there. Wow, this has got a lot of storage. Got some more hanging space there. I say, well, there's your bedroom TV. Do I have anything there? Just the bedroom TV. Thought you might add storage. Wrong. Here you have another closet, but a nice thing you can do with this, if you decide you want to do the washer and dryer, this is where your washer and dryer hookup would be right there. Okay. Now this door here will take us to the back bathroom. Ooh, look at this. Forgot about that. Got some more storage there, there, and there. So look at this. Just in this bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 doors and drawers, 18, 19, 20. Wow. Might be 21. I don't know. That's a lot of doors and drawers, guys. So a lot of place you can take stuff with. You can go out and see this great country of ours. Here then we have our back bathroom. Then we have a porcelain stool back here as well too. You have a nice little window right here. You have your fan. You got an air duct that comes in here. You got a heat duct that comes in here. Again, you have your residential sink. Little place here. What's nice about this, Mr. Cameraman, do you know? 2 sinks. So what's nice about that? You can be getting ready, the partner can be getting ready right here. Not squeezing in, whatever it is, just get it all done. You got your own little mirror right here, lights there, lights there. You got some storage here, some storage there, storage there, storage there. And then here, we have our shower, which what I like to point out is the fact this is a one-piece fiberglass tub and shower surround. A lot of the competition that you're out there looking at will have two pieces, the ABS for the shower surround and then the ABS for the tub. It's going to take away a lot of the problems with leaks or whatever it may be, and it's very easy to take care of. And look at the size that you have in here. I'm 6 foot tall, we got plenty of room in here, and you can got a headlight, one of them things there. And then you got your shower here, then as well, skylight, yes. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, and then you have some storage here, and some storage here. So, we've taken a look at the 2020. We can see clearly now, 369 DS Georgetown. You might say, hey, how can you get a hold of us? Well, we have a phone. You can call us at 866-282-4460, or you can visit us on the web at totalvaluerv.com. Or if you want to drive, you can get on the toll road 8090, get off at exit 92, take a right at the first light, go through that light, come to the next light, take another right on the County Road 4, go through the four-way stop, and then the next right that's available, take a right there, and you're coming down to Total Value RV. So you got 3 right turns in order to make the right decision. We like to say you come in as strangers and you leave as friends. If you're still here and you're watching the video, thank you. If you have any questions, give us a call, email us, whatever it may be. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.